Hey guys, welcome to today's video, and today we're finally back with a new video. So actually I am going out for a dinner in like half an hour, and tabhi like around 2 hours back I posted a story where I asked you guys, should I do a get ready with me video and like while chat with you guys. So a lot of people said yes, so easily here I am with a new video. So first we'll be wiping off our face for like anything extra dirt, or like, even though I washed my face around like 10 minutes back. So we're done wiping off everything, and now I think we're ready for like the skincare and the makeup afterwards, because I feel like skincare is super important before makeup for like a texture free, a very smooth base. So I think skincare is a must, and you guys should never skip skincare. Skip anything else you like, but do not skip skincare. So we're gonna start off with the first product, which is the Lancome Absolute Creme Soft Cream. And this soft cream is like, I love this soft cream, okay? And I've been using this like for 2 months I think now, and it's just amazing. My skin feels super soft after using it. I'm using only a little amount. You just rub it off and like massage it. Do you see the glow? Instant glow. Do you see that? That's what I'm talking about. Guys, also I wanted to tell you guys about this toner that I use. It's also from Lancome, and it's a pretty good toner. Like, that's what I've heard. I haven't used it yet. If you want me to review it, then please let me know. Plus I also use one more toner. It's like from the Face Shop, Rice Ceramide Toner, and like I've been using it for like almost a year, and it is super good. Alright, and if you want a tutorial or a review about this, like whole ass review, I'm gonna do it for you guys. Starting off with the base. Well, I use Maybelline foundation, but lately I've been skipping foundation because it feels super heavy on my skin. It just looks like I'm doing a very heavy makeup. The purpose of like my makeup is I prefer light makeup, like makeup no makeup type look. But honestly, like makeup करने के बाद थोड़ा तो पता लगता है, to be really honest, if you're going out especially. तो इस वजह से we're gonna do something makeup less makeup look. So let's just begin. I use K Beauty concealer. I've used like 2 bottles of this concealer, and I just totally love it. But I've also tried one more concealer which I find really nice and very affordable. Concealer by Faces Canada. It is also really nice and a very high coverage it has. So I like got like 2 shades of it. Let's let it dry for a second. Plus I wanted to talk about, like, somebody commented on my video and she wanted me to make a video on like relationship advices. Girl, I have no clue about relationship advices, okay? You've asked me the wrong thing. It's like, for example, you're asking a cricketer how to play football. I mean, I have been like single almost my entire life. You might think I'm lying, but yeah, I've never dated anybody in my life. I mean, I have one guy like in school, but I've been single for like, you know, my whole college time I was single, and I don't regret it at all. I don't regret it at all. In fact, I'm super happy I did not date anybody, because guys these days are a trouble, to be really honest. And I feel like I do not want to get into this. जिसका आना होगा आएगा, नहीं आना होगा नहीं आएगा. So I think I manifest a lot, okay? So okay, enough of the talking. Let's just blend this out फटाफट. Do you see the finish? It's like so good. It's like so good. I mean, so yeah, we were talking about our dating lives, and you guys tell me about your experiences. I'm really curious to know about them. Like, you tell me how's everything going on for you, and how are things going on, like in your experiences. I want relationship advices. You have to give me relationship advices. Now, talking about eyeshadow, I want to introduce you guys to this new palette. I'm really nervous. I want to see if it's actually pigmented or it's like a crap. Oh my gosh, it's like so cute. And if you see the texture now, it's like as if it's like a cloth, very like clothly texture. It's like super cute. Oh my god, but is it pigmented? Whoa, okay, these are pretty colors. I mean it's, the pigment is like not much, I would say, but like it's not that bad. And if we talk about, I'm gonna use this shade of glitter with my, whoa, okay, it's good. The glitter is good. Oh my god, glitter can never be too much, let me tell you guys. We are done with the eyeshadow and we're gonna move on to mascara. And I have like 2-3 options for mascara, and I'd like to recommend all my girls these 3 mascaras are actually lifesavers. I'm telling you. This one is from Maybelline, this one is from Lancome, and this one is from Faces Canada. Girl, other than these 3, you don't need anything. And if I have to choose one now amongst them, I would choose Lancome. I would definitely choose Lancome because it gives you like the perfect lashes. Also, when you have to remove it now with like makeup remover or anything, it will just come out so nicely. You don't even have to like, rub your eye or your eyelashes. You don't have to do anything. All you have to do it like this and everything is gonna come out. It's super good. So guys, while we're at it, let's just do a red flag versus green flag quiz, and I'm all about it. Okay, so the first question is, you don't feature on their social media after a few months of dating. Let's just continue our makeup while we talk about it. If a guy is not featuring you on his Insta, I think that's a red flag, because why would you not do that? I mean, she's your girl, no? So why would you not feature her on Instagram? I mean, or like any social media of yours. Like, isn't that like super weird? Like, why would you do that? And same for goes for a girl. Like, if you're not featuring the guy, your guy on social media, then I mean, you're obviously trying to hide your relationship. And why would you do that? Why do you want to look single? Why would you not feature each other on like on your Instagram? That's just super fishy, and I feel like that's just not it. Moving on to the next question. Your friends or family dislike them. Whoa. I mean, I think that's a total red flag, because if your family or like friends don't like them, then it's obviously because of some reason. And if collectively people are hating on the person you're dating, I mean, it's just a red flag. Okay, you should just break up with them. That's the best. Have several baby mothers or fathers. I thought it was pretty obvious. I mean, it's pretty obvious, okay? And yeah, it's a red flag. Oh, absolutely, it's a red flag. Next question is, thinks you are perfect, you can do nothing wrong for them. I mean, you're a human being. Of course, you can be wrong sometimes. So I feel like maybe they're like that. They might be too nice, and that's not really a red flag. Maybe they're just in love with you. Next, they don't want to label the relationship after a few months of dating. A red flag. A red flag. Like, what are you even talking about? If you don't want to date, if you don't want to be in a relationship, then why are you even with me? I mean, I don't get such type of people. Like, I totally am against anything related to like a open relationship or something. Open relationship is like the worst for me. You're like asking the person to not see other people. You're still wanting that person to stay committed to you. Does that make sense to you? Me neither. Checks their phone constantly but takes forever to text you back. I mean, obviously that's a red flag. Next, can't stop talking about themselves. Okay, I think this is a pretty serious issue with people these days. I mean, they just like talking about themselves and this and that. And I mean, okay, it's nice and shade, but like, why would you, on a date especially, why would you just rant about yourself? It's like, I either don't get that behavior at all. Like, are you on a date or are you like boasting about yourself? Like, what is wrong with you? And why would you even be like, I'm this and that? Thankfully, I've never experienced it. Coming to the next question, they acknowledge your differences instead of trying to change you. One of these questions, of course, that's a green flag, green flag, very green flag. Next, they introduce you to the important people in their lives. Green flag, obviously green flag. I mean, they often mention the future. Um, yeah, I mean, obviously that's a green flag. Love that. Took the trouble to memorize your number. Where are such guys? Such guys do actually exist, or like, is this a hoax, or like, what are you? If such guys exist now, do hit me up. I really appreciate that. Notices all your habits and little quirky things that he finds endearing and not weird. Green flag. I love that, love that. मुझे कौन से guys मिलते हैं? Wanna hook up? You wanna go out for a coffee? You wanna Netflix and chill? Do you want to come over? So that's it for today's video, and I hope I did not bore you guys at all. I hope you're not bored after watching my video, but like, I tried my best to keep you entertained. So yeah, I think let's just end the video right now here. And if you guys need any sort of tips or like advices related to makeup, related to any personal issues or like anything, you can just hit me up in the comment section, or you can just DM me on Instagram. I'll just put like my username somewhere here. Like, subscribe, and of course comment if you like the video, and if I should make more videos like this, or like, should I switch on to something more like different or some different genre. So I'll take a leave now, but yeah, do follow me on Instagram, and I do reply to everybody on Instagram and YouTube. I try my best to reply to everybody. So yeah, just let me know if you liked it or not. And I'm just gonna go now. I'll be super late. I'm already super late. So I'll just put the video of my dress on my Instagram story, because I don't have a time to shoot my whole outfit right now. So make sure to check out my Instagram story. I'll put it out over there. Bye.